Hello viewers, welcome back to new tutorial for Android phone. Android phone flashlight not working. When try to on flashlight or torch on Android phone, show this problem. Let's see how to fix this problem. Open on phone setting. Then scroll down. Tap on systems and click on reset option. Tap on reset app preference and press on power button. Tap on reset and reset phone normally. Now swipe down notification panel. Now turn on flashlight working. Now flashlight working on Android phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.